Good evening, everyone. So, today we are going to read a story titled Shruti Floats an Idea. It's a level 3 book from storyweaver.org.in. Author is Naveen Durai Raju and illustrator is Vibha Surya. So, it seems like this is Shruti and she's floating something, an idea. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's Grow a Plant Month, everyone. Sukanya Miss said in the class. Oh, yeah, my kids have been growing flowers and plants and sprouts for some time in their classes now. Everyone in the class was excited. Sounds good. Everyone but Shruti. Look at her. Everyone is happy and excited, and she said, Shruti hated the soil. She did not like touching it. She did not like the earthworms that wriggled in it, but earthworms make the soil very healthy. She hated how the soil made her hands feel icky. Well, I don't think so at all. I really enjoy gardening so much. But okay, let's see what idea Shruti has. How was your day, Shruti? Appa asked. Shruti dropped to the floor. We have to grow a plant, Pa, and I hate touching soil. But fathers are always, so sweet for their kids. They'll figure out your problem and help you solve it. So what does Appa says? You don't need soil to grow plants. Then what can we do? But plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow, said Shruti. Sukanya Miss told us that they get all their nutrients from the soil. You are right, Appa replied. But plants can also get their nutrients from water, like lotus in a pond. जनरली तो सॉइल चाहिए लेकिन बिना सॉइल के भी तो पौधे उगते ही हैं. हम स्प्राउट्स बनाते हैं घर में. Can I really grow a plant in water? Shruti asked. Yes, Appa replied. All you need is a sapling, some coconut husk, a big plastic bottle, and some plant nutrients to help it grow. This sounds like a wonderful project. Let's all do it this week. Yes? So Appa took the bottle and cut it in two halves. Shruti filled the bottom half with water and mixed in some nutrients. We can buy the nutrients from market and then add a little bit so that the plant can get their nutrients. She flipped the top half of the bottle and put the coconut husk in it. Then she took the lid away. See, when she is putting it on top of water, she has taken the lid off. Finally, she placed the sapling in the top half. And you have to take care that the sapling's root touches water, or else how it will absorb, right? Shruti took care of her plant every day. Maybe once in a week or so, she needs to change the water, put in fresh water with little bit more nutrients added. 3 weeks later, she took her plant to class. Everyone was surprised. Shruti, how is your plant so big? Sukanya Miss asked. It's because I grew it in water, Miss, Shruti replied. Coconut husk is a very good soil alternative. Even on top of the soil plant, if we add coconut husk, they will retain moisture for long and we will not need to water again and again. So that's very good to add on top of soil as well. No one in her class had seen a plant grow in water before. No one even knew it was possible. Hydroponics, it's a relatively new branch of science. Your plant is so beautiful, Shruti, her classmates said. And look at Shruti. She was prouder than ever, so happy. So, how did Shruti grow her plant in water? She grew her plant using hydroponics. It is a method of growing plants in water. Plants need air, water, sunlight, and nutrients to grow. When they are planted in the ground, They gather their nutrients from the soil. But when plants are grown in water, nutrients have to be fed to them because they can't get it from water. There is nothing much in water. Shruti gave her plant all the nutrients it needed and make sure that it had enough water, sunlight, air, and space to grow. Would you like to grow a plant in water just like Shruti? I am sure going to do one this week. Okay, so what do we need? Let's see. We need a 2-liter soda bottle, a pair of scissors. We can ask parents to do this. Money plant sapling or any other plant sapling that you know can grow in water. Even the kitchen herbs can be grown. Coconut husk, water soluble plant nutrients. You can use sugar as a substitute, but sugar can uh, cause unwanted organisms to grow in the down in the bottom water. And then some drinking water. So we'll cut the bottle into 2 halves, pour water into the bottom half, mix some nutrients, flip the top half, fit the coconut husk, and place the sapling. Make sure the root touch the water. It's very important. Make sure to keep the bottle somewhere it gets plenty of sunlight. Sounds wonderful. Let's do it. Thank you so much for listening.